Lexus 570 LX with kit and without comparison. So that's the regular bumper here and the regular grille, and the white car has a lip spoiler and another type of the grille. Alright, there is some close video here. Some closer video of the lip spoiler. That's the face. Again, car with the kit and without. These are door moldings here. There are chrome or black, two types. This is where it's fixed, the lower edge of the door. Okay, that's the rear side. You can also compare between the regular one and Sport, which has a kit. So it doesn't have like any rubber seal in the rear, it's only coming in the front. So that's the sensor. Okay, so it has some distance between the lip spoiler, some clearance, about maybe 1.5 centimeters only. Okay, that's the look. Comparison between Supra and A45. This is Supra GR, yeah? It has the skirts here. Just I want to mention that we already have a Supra spoiler. That's the front look. Massive air vents. Headlights is very identical to the previous generation one, by the way. It's definitely wider, and now it's with LEDs. This is some new close-up view on the brakes. As you can see, it's not drilled, it's not perforated. And that's the face video over here. That's the face. Alright, massive vents here.